Weather and climate are both involved in variations in temperature, precipitation, and other environmental factors. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of Earth's atmosphere. Climate refers to the average conditions over long periods. The factor that affects climate is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process in which certain gases trap sunlight in Earth's atmosphere as heat. Ocean currents produce heat and moisture. This is formed by an unequal distribution of heat across the globe. Organisms occupy different places in part because each species has a range of conditions under which it can grow and reproduce. These conditions help define where and how an organism lives. A niche is the range of physical and biological conditions in which a species lives and the way the species obtains what it needs to survive and reproduce. Instead of competing for similar resources, species usually divide them. The term resource can refer to any necessity of life, such as water, nutrients, light, food, or space. Competition can occur both among members of the same species, known as intraspecific competition, and between members of different species, known as interspecific competition. The competitive exclusion principle states that no two species can occupy exactly the same niche in exactly the same habitat at exactly the same time. Predation is an interaction in which one animal captures and feeds on another animal. Herbivory is an interaction in which one animal feeds on producers. The symbiosis is a relationship in which two species live closely together. The three main classes of symbiotic relationships in nature are the mutualism, parasitism, and commensalism. Biomes are described in terms of abiotic factors like climate and soil type, and biotic factors like plants and animal life. Water depth strongly influences aquatic life because sunlight penetrates only a relatively short distance throughout water. The sunlight region near the surface in which photosynthesis can occur is known as the photic zone. Below the photic zone is the dark aphotic zone, where photosynthesis cannot occur. Freshwater ecosystems can be divided into three main categories: rivers and streams, lakes and ponds, and freshwater wetlands. Organisms in the intertidal zone are submerged in the seawater at high tide and exposed to air and soil light at low tide. These organisms then are subjected to regular and extreme changes in temperature. The coastal ocean extends from the low tide marks to the outer edge of the continental shelf. The relatively shallow borders that surround the continents. The open ocean begins at the edge of the continental shelf and extends outward. More than 90% of the world ocean area is considered open ocean.